Lesson today. Basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Let's read the niyat for the learning. Rabbi Shrafi Sodri.
Saudari wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma.
Okay.
Rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin.
Amin. Okay. Now we are starting with the not. I guess not. Okay. What about with this one first? I think this will be there on Ease 4, and I want you to try.
Oh ya, ini juga Miss.
Yeah, okay. Basically, please prepare a paper and also a pen, okay? So you are
Oke
going to
Miss.
have a kayak scratch, okay? Now, use of English, linking words to show contrast. Okay, but before that, you see, while and whereas, okay, they can be positioned before the first
Before the
contrasting
first. Oh
idea,
ya,
okay?
oke.
Okay, before you state a contrast idea, you can say while or whereas. Nah, but they are not trying to emphasize. You know, emphasize? Yeah, they are not trying to give a highlights. Okay, they are not going to menekankan kontrasnya. No, but they are just trying
Mhm.
to balance. If it is while or whereas, okay, they balance
Ya
the
Miss.
contrasting ideas. You got it. And they can also be positioned between, okay? So other than being placed at the very first contrasting idea before it, they can also be placed between,
Mhm.
okay? Between the two contrasting ideas. But it is not to kayak pressing or highlighting the difference, but they are just trying to balance. For example, yeah, you can see here, fast fashion makes the most updated, right? Clothing
Ya.
style that is affordable. But what is the balancing, Ata?
While whereas those who make it are often paid lower wage.
Uh-huh. Okay, so they are not really trying to highlight, oh, but they come with the cause of the environment, no, but trying to, okay, this is the fact and this is the other fact. Okay, and then however, nevertheless, and nonetheless, usually place before the first. Yeah,
Mhm.
before the first contrasting idea, but you can also put them before the second contrasting idea. Okay, we
Oh
see,
jadi, oh
bisa taruh di depan, kan di depan dulu nih, tapi di depannya ini harus,
harus selesai kalimat.
ya,
Kalimat pertama udah harus titik.
mm-mm. Tapi biasanya
Oke.
ini konteksnya harus nyambung dulu, baru bisa ditaruh. Alright, kalau di
Oh,
sini
oke.
dia juga bisa di tengah-tengah. Oke, we are mixing. Now, ini ada exercise-nya ya. Jadi, to make it better at understanding. Coba sekarang kita sapa dulu Gary. Gary, look, highlight the linking word that
Terus?
contrasting ideas. Jadi kalau misalnya untuk ngebalance itu blue, oke? Tapi kalau misalnya to emphasize a contrast, you put it in red. Now, what about however? It is blue or red?
Blue is
Blue.
contrasting. Blue.
Blue, okay.
However, it's blue.
Okay, we're moving on to Deka. What about on the one hand? Blue or red?
Oke, eh, apa bedanya, Miss? Tadi
Jadi
blue
kalau misalnya
kontras,
blue,
merah.
blue itu lebih balance. Kalau
Oh,
misalnya
balance.
nggak terlalu mau menunjukkan perbedaan, misalnya kayak I like apa misalnya iced tea. However, Russia likes it's warm. Nah, itu kan kontras banget ya. Kalau misalnya balance
Oh,
itu ya balance aja.
oh ya udah berarti yang biru.
On the one hand berarti biru. Oke, kalau
Biru.
on the other hand apa? Asia.
Kok on the other hand, kontras juga dong, Miss.
Oke, jadi yang kan ini sebenarnya dua-duanya tuh agak ya balance.
Kontras.
Jadi ada yang balancing, ada yang menekankan gitu.
Oh, so it's red, Miss.
Oke, jadi on the other hand, red.
Mhm.
Oke, now ini cuma ada empat. Gary again. Nevertheless, Gary. Nevertheless.
Nevertheless,
Hmm.
and today, oh, yes, blue.
Hmm.
Red.
Red.
We have, yeah, why red?
Oke.
Blue, man.
Oke, let's check the answer.
Miss blue, man. Blue, blue. Nevertheless, blue, man.
Blue. Okay, we can change it.
Balance.
Okay, blue. All
I
right.
don't know.
Okay, we lock the answer. Yeah, you do not
Ah,
need to change, right? Okay, three, two,
wait,
one.
wait, 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 wait. Wah, merah itu kayak
Ta-da.
Oliver.
Only one is correct, gentlemen. Yallah.
Oh no.
Oh
Sabar
no.
nih,
Yeay,
Miss.
saya
Saya baru
yang
join.
korek. Saya yang korek.
Korek
Balance
korek
contrasting tuh
hidung mana mah.
kayak
Yes.
gimana?
Yes.
Coba nih.
Miss, Miss aku extra poin Miss ya karena aku dong yang.
Berisik ah.
Allah. Oke, jadi gimana? Ada yang mau respon? Coba tadi Gary nanya apa?
Ini saya masih nggak ngerti, Miss.
Nggak ngerti.
Bedanya,
Wait, wait, wait,
maksudnya
wait.
balance
Oke, oke.
contrasting sama kontras doang tuh apa?
Oke, jadi
Jadi
gini.
kayak kalau di
Hmm.
yang merah tuh berarti jauh banget kontrasnya.
Iya, bener. Jadi kayak mau
Oh,
perbedaannya tuh mau
oh,
di-highlight
Itu doang
banget
nggak tahu.
gitu. Aku suka
I
ini
see.
misalnya kayak gini kan. The prices are good. Itu kan positif. Terus, we are not sure about the supplier. Itu kan langsung kayak jatuh gitu loh. Kayak ini baju harganya murah, tapi kita, however, gitu. Langsung kontras kan gitu. Sedangkan kalau misalnya the prices are good, while I don't really
Kemudian
like the
berarti
style.
ini Miss, however, nevertheless sama nonetheless udah pasti merah tuh.
Tes,
Iya, bener.
dikanjut. Mana
However,
ngomong?
coba try again ya. Jadi,
Salah.
however, tadi apa?
Apa
Merah.
kecil suaranya?
Merah. Oke, and then Ata on the
Coba lu
one,
ngomong
the
dulu.
other hand apa?
Merah.
Salah.
Merah
So
juga.
on the other hand will be blue, Miss.
Gitu, gitu.
Iya, it's still blue ya. Nevertheless apa, Ger?
Merah.
Iya. Alright. Check again. Alright. Itu ya.
Oke.
Wait, Miss,
Ini udah
please,
Yes.
saya masih belum
Extra
terlalu.
poin saya Miss ya.
Shush, shush. Saya belum terlalu ngerti. The plus are
belum
good.
terlalu
However,
over.
balancing contrast.
We're not sure.
Balance contrasting itu maksudnya sangat kontras gitu, Miss.
Kalau balance tuh nggak terlalu kontras, tapi kalau emphasize tuh kayak highlight. I want to
Berarti
emphasize
while
Oh,
sama whereas ini enggak sih, Miss? Merah. While sama whereas.
Miss,
while
berarti
while
While sama whereas.
while sama whereas itu biru dong. Kayak kan
biru.
kan kita tadi belajar di sini kita coba buka lagi.
Contrasting two ideas gak sih?
Balance, dia ngebalance
Itu.
antara idea yang kontras. Sebenarnya kita all of us di sini, however, nevertheless, itu tetap talking about the contrasting idea. Tapi while sama whereas ini tuh kayak in a soft, ya, yang sesuatu yang nggak terlalu di kontras banget. Misal kayak gimana ya, soft gitu loh, lebih soft. Ya kan?
Gimana contohnya? Yang
Hmm,
yang nggak terlalu jauh gitu.
iya,
Kontrasnya kalau while and whereas.
benar. Sedangkan
Contohnya kayak
kalau
gimana?
nonetheless, nevertheless sama however kan sangat gitu ya. Coba deh yang ini.
Tapi kalau yang while sama whereas kayak gimana contohnya?
Gini, gini, gini. While my father likes to swim, I like to just enjoy the water, gitu. Nah, kalau misalnya, however, misalnya gini, my father like to swim.
Hmm.
However, I like hiking on the mountains. Misalnya kan,
Bisa jadi jadi merah juga nggak sih kalau misalkan dia negatif?
kalau dia ngapa?
Kalau dia jadi negatif, jadinya merah dong.
Iya, kalau tapi kan kalau misalnya kamu mau bener-bener emphasize perbedaannya, itu kamu nggak pakai while gitu loh. Tapi you use however gitu. Kalau gitu coba langsung masuk aja nih ke pertanyaan pertama. Biar masuk. How, disuruh Miss jawab. Coba Ata dulu deh. No,
Apa
no,
dong?
no.
Yes, Miss.
Aside from making cheap clothing available to everyone, it also encourages a throwaway clothing culture.
What word should I use, Miss?
Yeah, that is the question. What should you use there? However, while, whereas, or
Hmm.
nevertheless.
Oh, on the other hand,
On the other hand, aside from making cheap clothing available to everyone, oke, ada jawaban lain dari yang teman-teman yang lain?
Why?
Wow. Deka, do you have any
Ya, Miss.
opinion? Do you have any opinion? What is the right answer for the A? Aside from making cheap clothing, jadi selain making a cheap clothing available to everyone, it also encourages a throwaway.
oh, Miss, I mean on the one hand, Miss, on the one hand, not
On
on
the
the other
one
hand.
hand, okay.
However, misalnya, Miss.
However,
Iya,
okay.
kayaknya lo yang benar, Dedek.
Iya, bener.
Oh, harus dititik guys.
Tuh, bener lagi, Miss. Extra point lagi nih, Mas.
Kenapa, Gary? Pertanyaannya apa? What is your question?
Harusnya kalau udah benar terus nggak usah
Orang
extra
nanya.
point dong. Kan udah pinter.
Gimana,
Kita
gimana?
lihat aja tuh hasil isnya itu udah kayak
Tuh,
mantap.
Gary ada pertanyaan, guys. What is it?
Enggak ada Miss.
Nggak
Bisa
ada.
dengerin.
Oke, iya.
Miss, why not on the other hand, Miss? Kenapa
Oh,
nggak on the other hand?
gini.
I mean, kenapa nggak on the one hand?
On the one hand, aside from making cheap clothing available to everyone, it also encourages a throwaway clothing culture. Nah, sebenarnya ini juga bukan permasalahan. Biasanya on the one hand, dia itu harus komplit gitu atau bersama dengan on the other hand-nya. Misal, on the one hand, fast fashion make cheap clothing available to everyone. On the other
On the
hand,
other
it also
hand, oh,
encourages.
oke, I
Uh,
see, I see, Miss, I see, Miss.
Tapi kalau misalnya on the one hand, aside from itu tuh nggak
Kurang
ketemu
gitu, kayak ada
kontrasnya,
yang
iya,
kurang. Iya,
nggak
iya,
fit, ya, right? Coba lanjut
right, right.
yang
Coba lagi, kalau nevertheless gimana, Miss? Cara makanya, Miss?
Nevertheless, sama aja kayak however
uh
nggak sih?
sama aja kayak however. Nevertheless,
Nonetheless,
uh,
same thing.
aside from making cheap clothing available to everyone. Jadi lihat ya, nonetheless atau nevertheless-nya itu mereka mengabaikan fakta ini. Kan itu maksud kenapa nevertheless dan nonetheless. Jadi nevertheless atas fakta ini gitu. Nevertheless, dari it making cheap clothing available to everyone, it also encourages a throwaway clothing culture. Jadi, walaupun gitu, dibandingkan fakta, kita membuang fakta ini gitu, walaupun dia itu
Jangan
membuat clothing itu murah to everyone, it encourages a throwaway clothing culture. Coba yang B, pop quiz. Traditional clothing
Great.
creates a sense. Nah, ini nih, baru kalian ngerti nih kayaknya. A sense of cultural connection. Blah, blah, blah. International fashion trends create a sense of global citizenship. Ada yang mau
Beres.
jawab aja. Siapa yang tadi?
Beres.
Saya Miss.
Beres.
In other words.
No. While.
Wow. Gary, in other
While
word. Itu
Beres.
apa?
Kok in other words? Beres.
Whereas.
Same thing, same thing.
Iya,
Iya,
ya.
cuma beres di middle nggak sih?
Ya, bisa. Tapi kan however juga bisa di middle sebenarnya. Right?
But,
Itu bukan titik,
Miss.
Miss. Bukan
Yes,
titik.
however
Oh, iya,
uh,
iya, iya.
the
Great,
kalimat
great.
the sentence should be done, Miss.
Iya, iya.
However, itu butuh semikolon atau enggak titik kan?
Good, good, good. Ya, lihat ya.
Wah,
Eh,
ini.
itu juga, eh ini udah masuk belum sih? Ada Ari. Oke.
Harimau nggak bisa
Sam
ini.
AKM Polda Jabar.
Yang itu siapa sih?
Kayaknya ya. Emang ada.
Itu siapa
It's
Miss? AKM
mine.
X nggak ada.
Oh, it's yours.
Ngebak.
Oke. Kalau misalnya
Lebay.
kalau
Salah
misalnya
akun.
yang wild ini guys, oke kalian lihat ya, dia tuh they do not give like too much contrast, tapi dia lebih ke kayak connecting ideas gitu. Misal dia bilang kayak traditional tetap creates a sense of cultural, tapi yang di sini dia creates a sense juga, tapi global citizenship. Jadi nggak terlalu kontras, justru nge-balance. Yang satu kayak gini, yang satu kayak gitu. Now, coba yang baru datang kita sapa with the question. What about C by? No, older people in the Inuit community. Ya,
Ininya ada apa aja, Miss? Opsinya.
ini. While whereas, on the other hand, however, nevertheless, nonetheless.
While. Oh,
Wow.
whereas.
Well, atau whereas. Yang lain ada jawaban?
Why?
Wow.
While.
Bener ya? Oke. Ini
Itu.
udah dapet lah ya kira-kira ya. While older people kayak gini, younger prefer to wear modern practical clothing. Oke. Now we're moving on to D, Ata and Deka.
Ada deh.
Yes, Miss. Deka knows the answer, Miss.
Oke, what's that?
Ah, Wild kali, Miss.
Well kali.
C
Kenapa?
or D, Miss?
C
Coba
or D?
D,
C
D,
or
D,
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 Miss.
D, D.
Oh,
Oh, D.
D.
Oh,
Ya
it's
udah.
also wild, Miss.
Wow. Gary, coba try to make it make sense. Why the answer is while or whereas?
Mana?
Kenapa?
Yang mana?
Yang D, kenapa cocok while and whereas?
Well, lebih sering di awal.
Bisa. Tapi kan however juga bisa di awal.
Whereas di, ya however sih.
However. Kalau however, dia nggak ada kontras
Well, nih,
idenya.
itu however.
Jawabannya whereas our while ya.
Yes.
Kenapa? Karena lagi-lagi dia nggak terlalu mau emphasize the contrast or the difference. Tapi what they are trying to make is itu tadi ngebalancing antara dua fakta ini gitu. Traditional clothes are usually made from natural fabrics. Modern clothes are often made from synthetic materials. Oke, we're coming back again. Kalau ini udah pasti ya. Apa jawabannya? Ini dapat extra point nih yang bisa cepet. 3, 2, 1.
On the other, on the other hand, and on the
Iya,
one hand.
boys, mantap. Kayak Gary.
Extra point?
Nggak, iya, iya. Ini
Yes.
yang gabung extra
Oh.
point nih, yang gabung extra point.
Oh.
Ini nanti Miss pikir berapa. Oke, good ya. Kita balik lagi ke sini.
50.
What?
50 extra point.
Miss, the fifth one is on the one hand, right?
Yeah, on the one hand, on the other hand.
Sama on the other hand.
Okay,
Yes.
yes.
Alright.
Yay.
Yeah, dia always come in package. Now, we're coming back to the... Alright. Ini. Ini udah ya. Okay, what about this? Kita come to yang paling depan. Ata NDK, coba while apa? Red or blue.
Tadi ini apa bedanya, Miss?
Yang tadi, kalau blue itu
Well,
balancing,
fashion.
contrasting idea. Tapi red itu justru nge-emphasis a contrast.
Itu dibandinginnya sama apa tuh, Miss? Kontrasingalnya tuh yang pertama.
Miss. Oh, enggak, berarti red, Miss.
Kan
Itu
ini
dibandinginnya apa?
Biru.
dibanding, iya dia tuh
Entahlah.
sebenarnya kayak ketika you say while or whereas, sebenarnya itu brings a sense yang masih agak netral lah, nggak terlalu kontras-kontras banget
Oh.
dengan red. Coba kalau nonetheless apa?
Tapi itu dibandinginnya sama apa, Miss? Yang wild, yang pertama.
While
Kan
fashion
nggak ada
may allow
perbandingannya
us
gitu.
to express ourselves, it is dia memperkenalkan idea ini
Jadi
fashion.
yang di depan tuh emang selalu itu, Miss, blue.
Sebenarnya while sama whereas usually blue karena dia nggak terlalu emphasize a contrast.
Oh, jadi
Eh,
sebenarnya while itu udah ada warnanya sendiri, nonetheless itu udah ada warnanya sendiri.
Iya, sebenarnya ya.
However,
Tapi you
oh
you try
gitu.
to make sense. Oh iya, wow,
Confused ya.
fashion. Jadi nggak terlalu, oh ini nggak
Oh,
langsung kontras gitu. Oke,
Confused ya.
nonetheless apa? Red ya. Coba kita bahas apa lagi yang baru? Aircraft,
Where is?
whereas
Miss, itu tadi yang yang page barusan itu di buku halaman berapa, Miss?
halaman 151.
Oke, Miss, thank you.
151 course book. Okay. Now, okay, we're moving on again with this. Ini we're just trying to make it conscious to you, okay? Jadi while tadi apa warna blue or red?
Blue, Miss.
Blue.
Nonetheless,
Red.
Red.
red ya kayak nonetheless. Convenient and appeals to the mass market. Whereas
It's blue.
it's blue ya. Jadi dia cuman mau balance the idea.
Mhm.
Okay. While fashion, jadi walau sedangkan fashion may allow us to express ourselves, it is, nah ini baru kontras kan, it is
Oh.
often, namun itu gitu, kayak while itu, sedangkan fashion ini may allow you to express yourself, it is, however, ya, namun often biasanya at the expense of the environment, ada efek dari environment. Fast fashion is convenient, oke, dia mengenalin yang bagus ya, convenient biasanya, and appeals biasanya menarik to the mass market. Namun, right, fast fashion ini kan dikontras dengan recycled. Recycled second hand or homemade fashion offers more opportunity for creativity and originality. Okay, we check the answer. Okay, great. Now, ini yang baru datang Alvarel ya. Alvarel ada? Are you there, Alvarel? Okay, we haven't heard. Gary, jangan lupa legend. All right, then.
Miss, I'm in Arkan phone.
All right, then. Now, Arkan and Farel, what is your answer for this? The fast fashion industry is big business. No, no, no. The cost to the environment and to its employee is significant.
Pilihannya ada apa?
Nih, however, whereas, and while.
However,
However, okay, thank you. Now, Amer, the company owners. Amer, are you there?
Yes.
All right, the company owners make billions, blah, blah, blah. Their employees often earn minimum wage and work in a poor and unsafe conditions.
On the other hand, Miss.
On the other hand, okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Now, who else is there? Okay, haven't I heard anyone? Come to Gary? No, 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 no.
Yes, Miss.
Many consumers choose to ignore these issues when selecting brands.
Nevertheless.
Right. What?
Nevertheless.
Nevertheless, you clock the answer. 3, 2, 1.
Gary
Okay.
lihat ChatGPT, Gary.
No.
Oh no.
Uh,
So what is
Itu
the
harusnya
answer?
while nggak sih, Miss? While
Okay.
loading. Whereas.
Whereas.
Sorry, Miss, typo.
Oke, ini ya coba lihat. The fast fashion industry is big business, oke? However, coba kalau sedikit tips ya dari Miss. Biasanya while and whereas itu tuh masih berkesinambungan. Jadi konteksnya masih sangat erat gitu. Masih sama. Misalnya nih, kan kalau however, kan ini however tuh waktu dia bilang fast fashion itu big business. Dari bisnis, big business, kemudian dia langsung bilang, however, the cost to the environment, dari bisnis ke environment. Oke? It's such two different umbrellas of field of life gitu ya. Sedangkan kalau di sini, while atau whereas, dia selalu kayak gini. The company owners make billions. They are talking about money, right? And then whereas their employees often earn minimum wage. Jadi masih ngomongin tentang duit, right? Billions. And then minimum wage and work in poor and unsafe condition. Kemudian, nevertheless, many consumers, coba lihat the answers. Nah, ini juga coba kalian perhatikan yang bagian sini. When we are talking about the B, what is the answer? Coba Amer lagi. Yang B.
Apa, Miss?
Traditional
Yang B.
clothing creates a sense of cultural connection. Nah. Oh my God. We're about to running out of time. But okay, Amer answer. What is your answer for this? The B?
Whereas, Miss, whereas.
Whereas. Nah, kamu lihat gak polanya yang sama? Apanya yang sama?
Mirip-mirip, Miss.
Iya, dia
Sense,
masih
sense.
ngomongin clothing ini creates a sense of cultural connection. Sedangkan international create a sense of global citizenship. Nah, kalau yang atas kan yang satu ngomong tentang availability, yang satu lagi ngomong throw away clothing culture. Jadi kalau misalnya konteksnya masih nyambung, it will go with while or whereas. Oke. Sekarang I want to call who are you there? Oke, next masih ada nggak ya? Alright, we finished. Okay, the other one. We're coming back to Ata and Deka. Blah blah blah.
Yes, Miss.
Are
Yes,
no
Miss.
existing garments from prehistoric times.
While, Miss. While.
While.
Wow. Okay.
Yes. Lanjut, Miss.
Lanjut. Siapa nih?
Oh, nonetheless, Miss. Nonetheless.
There are. Kalian, how do you know? Okay, now bye.
Oh, it's on the
Miss.
on the one hand, Miss.
The one.
Bye, Haki. What is the answer? No.
Bye
People.
mana ngeliat.
Huh?
Bye. What is the answer for this?
People may have methods for environment protection.
On the one hand, by sure. Lo harus percaya gue.
Oh, bisa tahu gitu ya? Oke, udah on the hand.
Salah dibeliin pizza katanya.
So the other answer is what?
Yo.
On the other hand.
All right. Okay. While there are no existing garments from prehistoric times, there are, however, atau nonetheless, right, leather working tools that suggest, maksud suggest di sini apa? Kayak,
Yes.
Ah,
Nah, berarti
Maksud
Bay yang beli
suggest-nya apa?
pizza.
Maksud suggestnya apa? Tahu nggak, guys? Coba open your mind.
Menyarankan.
Bukan
Suggest, Miss.
menyarankan,
Sugesti.
justru kayak indicate, tapi
yang
ditemukan
menyarankan.
leather working tools yang indicating bahwa ya ada
Human.
humans suit leather. Jadi kayak
Oh,
ada kulit
yang
buatan.
menunjukkan gitu, Miss.
Iya,
Kayak
that's
memberitahu.
correct. Kalau misalnya
Oke.
kalian buat di essay buat IELTS itu, usually you can use suggest, itu bukan buat kayak suggestion aja gitu. Okay, on the one hand, people may have made clothes for warmth and protection. On the other hand, the existence of shells. What is shells? Shells, bukan
Itu,
Pertamina.
Miss.
Apa, Miss?
Oh,
Apa
bukan
itu
ya.
shells, guys?
Cangkang.
Cangkang, right? Yeah, and stones with holes in suggest that there may have also been a decorative role for clothing. Okay. Okay, is it clear until now? I hope so.
Yes, Miss. Clear.
Yes,
Yes,
clear.
Miss.
Now coming back here to the not all, not every. Okay, we're just coming to the exercise immediately. Tapi please read, siapa dulu? Arkan and Farel, please read this whole box. Arkan and Farel.
Miss.
All right, please read to us what are written there. Negation.
Okay. The negation. When putting forward a point of view, you can use the negative word not to signpost that what follows is untrue or not the case. It can be followed by an ident- e, uh,
Indefinite pronoun.
indefinite pronoun or a determiner.
Okay. Not plus indefinite pronoun. So basically, guys, you can use not itu to just suggest that the following is not true, of course, right? Karena itu menjadi negate. You negate the case. Nah, kenapa kalian taruh not-nya itu di depan? Karena kayak it is not linguistically correct when you say kayak everyone not everyone does not believe, kayak not everyone disagree, kayak nggak enak. Tapi makanya disagree-nya itu dijadikan tetap agree tapi dinegasikannya itu di depan. Jadi makanya kayak not everyone believes. Sebenarnya penekanannya di sini, what is the most important thing that you have to remember, what you have to highlight and emphasize is that kalau misalnya every, ya again ya, ini tuh singular ya. Everyone has a dream, right? Karena balik lagi single. Nah, makanya kalau itu singular, dia verbnya tambah S. Ya, balik lagi to your, I don't know, first graders lesson. Nah, namun when kalau misalnya dia kayak all, sebenarnya all itu kan plural ya, kayak um, all dresses here are handmade. Tapi kalau misalnya dia bertemu dengan sesuatu yang uncountable, makanya dia ketemu is, dia harus is. Jadi apa itu uncountable? Uncountable is something yang kalau misalnya orang nggak ada kerjaan, dia nggak mungkin ngitungin itu gitu. Contohnya water, who want to count water, right? Jadi not all water is drinkable. Jadi walaupun dia pakai all, tapi ketika noun-nya itu water atau sugar, itu tetap pakai is. Okay.
Yes.
Stop for the theory. Now coming back to the question. We are going to Gary for the first one. Blah, blah, blah agrees.
Not everyone.
Okay. Yes, true, yeah. Not everyone. To be honest, by
MS.
yes, what's the
But
answer?
the industry
Is sustainable.
is.
Yeah.
Kalau is
Mhm.
not all.
Not all. Let's see. Kita kunci jawaban by Amer. Do you have any other answer? Blah 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 about the answer. Ini ya. Optionnya ada not all, not every, not everyone, not everything.
Nggak
Eh,
tahu deh, Miss.
kalau ganti mau ganti yang mana?
To be honest,
To be honest, not pasti not ya.
not not not
Not
everything gitu.
not everything gitu. Oke, Amer Adnan, do you have your
Kenapa,
own?
Mas?
Do you
Saya
have
mau
your
not
own
all,
answer?
Miss.
Apa?
Not
Hmm,
all.
not all sih.
Not all. Not everything.
Oh.
Ya, benar Miss. Saya benar Miss.
Alright, karena dia di sini masih ini ya. But the industry. Jadi the industry-nya masih masuk ke berarti dia masih countable ya.
Countable. Oh, kalau udah nggak countable tuh jadi not all, Miss.
Kalau uncountable ya dia
Like
sebenarnya
water.
ya itu water, sugar, bahkan kayak ini ya tadi ya. Not all fast fashion is bad for the environment. Coba lagi.
Oh,
Um,
okay.
oke, Atta NDK, the C one.
Blah 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 fashion design think about the impact of their clothes. Not every fashion designer.
Every. Every
Yes.
fashion
Every fashion
designers.
designer. Oh,
Every
not all. Not all fashion designers. I don't know, Miss. Which one?
Not every.
Oh,
not
jadi not
every.
all ya, karena
Enggak deh.
because designers.
Iya,
Oh,
iya benar-benar itu yang ngelihatnya kayak fashion
Mhm.
designers. Nah, itu kan plural. Nah, jadi dia
That's
not
why.
all. Dan kalian lihat juga kan, ini plural. Dia plural. Kemudian kalau dia plural kan nggak pakai S lagi kan? Ya, right? Verbnya.
Mhm.
Ya,
Yes.
jadi all fashion designers think lagi about the impact of their clothes on the planet. Oke,